Hey guys, it's your girl Chef Shetty and we're making farfalle pasta today. Lucy's hopping in the video because she said she was going to help me cook today. Farfalle pasta with grilled shrimp and salmon.
That's right.
Alright guys, here we go. We got our jumbo shrimp all nice and seasoned up. We got our salmon. And then we got a nice hot, smoking, oiled up grill pan. You can use any pan that you want. I like to use my grill pan. I like to get it smoking hot. I'm going to turn this back on. And I just want to show you, I'm going to lay these down here. On the grill pan. Okay, and then I'm going to cook these up. And then I'm also going to cook that salmon up. I got the farfalle pasta, which is like a bow tie, sitting in the water, getting nice and starchy, and I'll be back. Alright, I'm flipping the shrimp. A nice little char on there. So that's how it looks. You do 1 minute on one side and 1 minute on the other side. High heat. Get you a nice char and sizzle on there. And then you take them off, because what's going to happen is you're going to re-put that back in your pasta once you incorporate all your pasta items. And I'll be back. Alright guys, I got my salmon going. Get myself a spoon. The best way to do salmon is you let it cook on one side, you take your spoon, you take all your goodness in the pan, and you pretty much baste your salmon. And you want to pre-do that before you turn it. And I usually have olive oil in here. So I do the olive oil first. And then maybe about, after a couple of times doing this, I then add to my salmon some butter, garlic, and I rebake. So we do a little under a half a stick. And you can use butter or margarine. I do have it up at a high heat. This gives it so much flavor. You can use fresh garlic in here, minced garlic. I got minced garlic in here, by the way. And this is a hot pan. Again, you want to do this a few times. You got the butter in there going. And the reason why I do it like this is because this is going to be the same pan that I use that I make my sauce in. So, if you are a seafood lover, this is a simple recipe, okay? I'm not doing fresh chopped garlic. I'm not doing any of that. This is simple. We on quarantine. These recipes are for you guys to make easy at home. I'm not going to get all chefy with it. Not going to be all elaborate with it. And no, because you guys, I want you guys to be able to make this stuff at home. especially when you get tired of the stuff that you've been preparing. All right, so I'm gonna flip that. Once I flip that, cook it, then I'll be back to make my sauce and put everything together. Look at that grilled salmon. Looks yummy. So yummy. Alright, you guys, to this, what I added, this is the sauce. I put it back in this pan. Like I told you, it has all the butter and everything. I did some heavy cream, milk, garlic powder, minced garlic, a little bit of Cajun seasoning, some black pepper, a dash of salt, okay? A dash of salt, because at the end of the day, if you season up everything really well, you shouldn't have a problem. And then next, my favorite is the aged Parmesan, the 14-month age from Sargento. I'll pour that in there. I'll warm this up. And then to that, I add the salmon. See the salmon? And then I go ahead and I dump this shrimp in. That's what I do. I get this warm, and then I pour it completely into our farfalle pasta. You can do any pasta. You can do linguine. You can do anything. If you end up doing like a string noodle, like a linguine or fettuccine, something thick, then don't put your salmon in there. But if you're doing something like a bow tie or a ziti or a rigatoni shell, then you can put that in there. And this is cooked well enough to where it's not going to break. But I am going to break some of it up in there. Alright, and I'll show you guys the finished product. Alright, you guys, this is what it looks like. A one-pot meal. Once you plate it, it's going to look so fancy. You're going to be like, oh, I got my chef on. Yeah. Alright, so this is what it is. We're going to plate. We're going to eat. It's all cheesy and goody and yummy. Alright, so it's your girl, Chef Shetty, and I'm out.